guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be making another sock face mask for you, and I've had lots of requests to make some cute face mask, and right now it's kind of hard to find pretty fabric at Walmart, so I found these cute No Boundaries brand socks. They're around $5.50 and there's 6 pairs in a package, and it just says shoe size 4 to 10, and they're really cute. So a pair of socks will make 2 face masks. So I'm going to show you how to turn these so that you can have it where the design shows. So give me just a second and we'll get started. And this is what the back of the tag looks like, and it just says 6 pairs no show socks. And they have lots of cute colors and patterns. Okay guys, so first you're going to want to spread out your sock flat. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut off, straight line right here, cut off this little elastic band that goes at your ankle, so cut straight across right there, and then come over here to the toe, and you're just going to cut straight across right there. Okay, so right here, this little bit of bunched up fabric would be the heel of your sock. So I'm going to move over about a finger's width, and I'm going to cut a slit up about 1.5 inches. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same over here, move over about a finger's width, and then cut up about 1.5 inches on this side too. Okay, so next you're going to take where you cut your little holes, and you're just going to flip it. Okay, so that this right here is going to go around your ears. And this side right here is the pretty side, which will show so that everyone can see your strawberries on your face mask. So you're just going to take your earpieces and you're just going to put them over your ears. And you're just going to adjust the face mask. And this is how it looks and fits. Okay guys, that's it. So all you need is a pair of scissors and 1 sock. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Stay safe.